Concerned about your favorite four-legged friend carrying the coronavirus? Don't worry. Health experts say even though some have concerns about getting the disease from their dog's fur, there's no real reason to think animals are a source of community spread.
NBC4's Hattie Hawks spoke with an area vet to debunk some of those common misconceptions.
I think everyone's concerned and on high alert, and it's difficult because we don't know a lot about COVID-19.
It's why operations as usual are anything but at Animal Medical Center.
All appointments now are from the outside in. Essentially, we talk to the owner on the phone, we bring the pet in, and we have zero contact with the owner if possible.
Naturally, pet parents have a lot of questions about COVID-19, like, can I get the virus from petting a dog?
At this time, we can't get it from our pets, and our pets can't get it from us.
She says touching a doorknob or a table is more risky than touching a dog's fur.
Essentially, the fur will soak up that. If there is a droplet that has the virus, we'll soak it up and we won't be able to get it, because then we have to touch it. It still has to be wet per se, still has to have the virus, and then we have to touch our face, our mouth, or whatever in order to get it.
We reached out to the Ohio Department of Health about this, and they told us, quote, at this time, there's no evidence that the virus that causes COVID-19 can spread to people from the skin or fur of pets, and that they're using CDC guidance on this, which also states there's no reason to think that any animals, including shelter pets in the United States, might be a source of COVID-19. The CDC has not received any reports of pets or other animals becoming sick, and further studies are needed to understand if and how different animals could be affected by COVID-19. Veterinarians say when it comes to any virus, proper hygiene is key.
Just always wash your hands, always wipe their paws, always pick up after their stools.
So touching your shopping cart, picking up the toilet paper at the grocery store is still a bigger cause for concern.
100%.
Local for you, Hattie Hawks, NBC4.